What would you tell somebody who just has 1,000 to buy right now that they can flip right now?
Information.
Okay.
Because if you only have $1,000, like, you just clearly don't know how to make money. If you only have $1,000, you have no clue on how money works. So find out how money works by buying information from somebody.
Okay.
Where would you suggest
Acquiring this information?
someone go look? Because obviously YouTube University exists, Google University exists, but you already know, man, people are going to ask, but
Yeah.
where do I go? Where do I look?
I mean, bro, listen, if you have to ask that question, then you're just fucking lazy. Google it, find somebody
That's the right
It's
answer.
ridiculous.
and, like, find it.
That's the
Come
right
on
answer.
now.
You're
Come
going to
on,
have to
man.
figure out a way.
Google.
One of my students told me this, right? And I love this analogy, right? Because when you pay for information, you're just taking the elevator. Any information that is out there is free. You can find it anywhere, right? You can find out how I do what I do, how I make money online, trying and error. You can do all that, and you can find it on your own without paying a single dollar. That is taking the stairs. If you want to take the elevator, you gotta pay for that information, right? So listen, you can be lazy and pay for the information, but don't be so lazy that you just wanna just go ahead and throw money. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and find somebody or find someplace, something you wanna do that you're interested in, that you think you might have an advantage in, and invest in that. Whether it's Amazon, drop shipping, car rentals, Airbnb, whatever it is, just find out how to do it and get started.